Good morning YouTube. Today I'm just going to run through with what you need to do if your car doesn't start. So I've popped the key into the ignition on this vehicle and I'm just going to press the start button. Nothing happened. So in this instance I didn't have my foot on the clutch. So on most modern cars you do need to make sure that your foot is on the clutch to start the vehicle. I'm going to try it again. As you can see, it's trying to start and all the lights are coming on. It's not actually cranking over, so I would suspect there's not enough power to start the vehicle. So one of the tips that I can give to you is to get a little device like this, and this should tell us what the battery voltage is. So it's 11.6 volts and the car will really need 12 volts to start, so I would suspect that the battery has gone flat on this vehicle. So I'm going to open the bonnet and then we'll go and check the battery. So here we find the battery. In this scenario, the options you've got is to jump start the car or to charge the battery. I have a battery charger, and if the battery's flat it is going to need to be recharged, so I'm going to go down this option. So I'll just go and fetch the battery charger. Here we have the battery charger. It's not an incredibly powerful one, but a slow trickle charge into the battery over a long period of time will fully charge it. But if you did want it to be charged faster, then you would need to get a bigger one than 4 amps. And I would recommend whoever you're buying the battery charger from to give you a recommendation on what size you would need for your particular vehicle. So the first thing you need to do is connect the crocodile clips to these terminals. Positive is red and negative is black. So on this particular car there's a little cover that just goes over to stop you shorting out the positive terminal. I'm going to connect that there, and that one to there. Next thing we need to do is just plug the battery charger in. And finally switch it on. So here we can see on the display that the battery is empty, so we know it's there is a problem with charging this battery. So I'm going to leave this plugged in for a while and wait till it comes round to here to indicate it's fully charged, and then we're going to have another go at starting the car.
2 hours later.
Checking in after a couple of hours. As you can see, the needle has moved across. Not fully charged yet, but yeah, we're getting there.
1 eternity later.
So I checked back a little bit later and the battery wasn't charged. So what I've done is just leave the battery to charge overnight. Run an extension lead through to the garage door and the cable just coming out of the bonnet. So as you can see, the battery is now saying that it's fully charged. I have switched it off already, but if I put it back on again, as you'll see, this light goes red and then turns green, meaning that it's fully charged. So when you're finished, turn it off and disconnect the battery charger. So with the battery fully charged, we're just going to try and start the car again. there we go, fires into life. So yeah, in this case it was just the battery that was low on charge and just needed charging. So I hope this has been helpful. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to make more videos just like this.